Hey guys, what's going on? It's Josh here. I'm here with another Sword and Shield Revel Clash. So let's get right into it. So, as always, you know what I'm going to say. Let's get right into this, even though I just said it like a few seconds ago. So let's just see right here. Here is the code card for anybody who's interested. And we go 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the front. Let's see what we got today. We got that Grass Energy. We got a Zong. We got a Nugget, a Skunk Tank, a Trubbish, a Pidove, a Helitop, a Tile, a Voltorb, a Sandyglass, a Capsacious Bucket, and an Electrive. Alright guys, we got nothing really good today, but what's your favorite Ghost-type Pokemon? I'll see you guys all later. Bye guys!